What up, y'all? Welcome back to It's Around People, and it's been a little minute since I came on here and gave y'all a hair video. We ended our 30-day challenge some days ago, but I just wanted to come on here and show y'all really quickly what's going on as far as my results. Like, as you can see, sorry I don't have my setup right today, but you can see the curls are still there in my hair, which is like dope, because it's been about 2.5 weeks since I took the style down, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll put the video from the day I took them out, and then some footage from, you know, as the weeks have gone by, and then you have today, what it looks like today. And for starters, most people's braid out looks like this, like as soon as they take it out. But as you can see, my braid out was really extremely effective. And 2.5 weeks later or so, it's still in pretty good shape. So take heed to my advice when I tell you pineapple your hair using the tips from this video right here. I'm gonna put, if you could see my whole hand right here. And yeah, so once you do that, you'll be in good shape to have to have long-lasting curls and good braid outs and results that last a really long time. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Answer any questions that are popped out in the poll section, the poll cards right here. Go ahead and comment, share, subscribe ultimately. Until next time, be easy.